Here's what happens when you're one day late getting the bird netting up on trees these days. Yesterday these were firm. These plums, so-called ornamental plums, they're very tasty, were firm but not quite ready to pick. Today, so many of them are ruined. So I may go ahead and cover what's left, but yeah, this is why I've got to get in quickly before the fruit's even fully ripened, it would seem. So this is about an hour or so later, so we're a day too late to stop the birds getting into it, and I don't have enough bird netting left over to net the whole thing, but in terms of better late than never, see what this does.
Of course, if you're really keen, you can chop it onto whatever it is and get another size like so.
Realised we didn't have enough bird netting to completely cover the all of the plum trees, so we went out and got a little bit more. So we've now got the whole thing fully covered, so hopefully we won't lose any more plums. So it's just held together with wooden clothes pegs, so easy enough to undo it to get into it. In a few days, when hopefully the almost ripe plums will be ready for us. But a mad scramble to protect what we could. Better a little bit late than never.